Yeah, g'day guys. This is just a quick follow-up for the people that were following the engine faults with these cars with the rings. This car has received the full repair. I've looked at other vehicles that have had the repair, and it looks like what they do is replace the piston rings and the pistons. That's basically the job. They don't replace the cylinder head. I'm wondering if they even machine it. I'm not sure. But as usual, the car is critically low on oil. Not critically low, but it's at minimum. But at least the car's telling him that. It really is. I can't fault them on that. So, sorry guys. Just give me a second. So yeah, the piston rings, the lower ring, the oil control ring is faulty. I think there's a video I made where I'm replacing this PCV oil separating unit on another car as well, talking about whatever I talked about. The job's been done by Audi. They've got faulty engines. They denied it. The guy's still paid a lot of money, but yes, guys, if you're using a lot of oil and if you're misfiring every 500,000 kilometers, 5,000 kilometers, fouling your plugs up, 10,000 kilometers, you've got a faulty engine. Full stop. Okay, so yeah, hope that helps. And that's the psfi 2-litre turbo, the most wretched thing ever created, known to man. I've done intake manifolds on them. They're just, it all looks so good. Just all looks so good. And for those Subaru boys watching, I just moved this car from here to there and I can't drive it. The DSG up the driveway, I don't care if the car's 5 years old. It doesn't make a difference to me. The whole design philosophy is faulty. You can see the axis of symmetry here. That's the center line of the front wheel. You've got literally 3.7 cylinders in front of the front wheels. And I can feel that the minute I get in it. So I'm not going to start ranting about that now. But yeah, they're just such disappointing cars. You know, if this thing was worth $5,000 second hand or 12 or whatever, I mean, this is an expensive car. Anyway, yeah, hope that helps. Fight for your rights, guys, especially in Australia. Doesn't matter if you're out of warranty. It's an unreasonable, and anyone with a reasonable mind would not agree that the engine is worn out at 40,000, 50,000 kilometers, stuff like that. So faulty, and Volkswagen Group have to wear it. Okay, bye.